Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Ikon 52 accessories is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your lawn care routine. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Ariens Ikon 52 accessories, exploring everything from mulching kits to protective covers. We'll be taking a look at the must-have add-ons that can seriously upgrade your mowing experience, making your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. Number 5. Gravely Ariens 52 Mulch Kit for ZTX, Ikon X. This kit is designed to enhance your mowing experience. It's a great way to recycle grass clippings and improve your lawn's health. This kit is compatible with select 52-inch Gravely and Ariens models. It's specifically designed for ZTX, Ikon X, and other related series. The kit comes with everything you need for mulching. It includes baffle weldments, blades, and all the necessary hardware for installation. Installing this kit is straightforward. The included hardware makes it easy to attach to your mower deck, and it will be ready to go in no time. Make sure this is the right kit for your mower. You can find this part number on the packaging or in the product details. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for effective mulching. It includes blades, baffles, and hardware. If you're looking to achieve a finely mulched lawn, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Put these on my Ariens and it fit perfect, great quality and durability. Great upgrade and value. Wish I would have done this sooner. Fall leaf pickup is going to be much easier and now my grass is growing much better since mulching. Man, this tang done got the job done. It did a great job of getting rid of the piles of dried clippings. Number 4. Classic Accessories Zero-Turn Mower Cover, Large. This cover is made of WeatherX fabric. It features a water-resistant backing, providing excellent protection against various weather conditions and abrasion. It helps keep your mower safe and sound. The cover shields your mower from harmful UV rays. This helps to prevent fading and cracking, extending the life of your equipment. It's a simple way to protect your investment. It protects against rain, dirt, birds, and tree sap. This helps to keep your mower clean and ready to use. It's designed to withstand the elements. The elastic shock cord in the bottom hem ensures a quick and custom-like fit. This keeps the cover securely in place. It's easy to install and remove. It includes a reinforced air vent. This allows air to circulate, preventing ballooning in windy conditions. This feature helps to maintain the cover's integrity. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the product is backed by the manufacturer. It's a reliable choice for your mower. This cover is designed to fit zero-turn mowers with a deck up to 60 inches wide. Make sure it fits your mower before purchasing. It's a perfect fit for many models. What we like. This cover is made with weather-resistant fabric to protect your mower from the elements. It also features an elastic shock cord for a secure fit. If you want to keep your mower safe from rain, sun, and dirt, you should consider it. What people say. The mower starts easily and runs smoothly. The cut is very good and even. The mower is well built and seems durable. Number 3. Ariens Gravely 52 Zero-Turn Mower Blades. These are genuine OEM blades, ensuring the highest quality and performance. They are designed specifically for your mower, guaranteeing a perfect fit and optimal cutting results. These blades are compatible with Ariens Ikon X and Ikon XL models with a 52-inch deck. Installing these blades will help you maintain a clean and even cut across your lawn. These blades also fit Gravely ZTX and ZTXL models with a 52-inch deck. They are built to withstand tough conditions, providing durability and long-lasting performance. The blades are designed for mowers with a 52-inch deck. Make sure this is the correct size for your mower before purchasing. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal cutting performance. This set includes 3 blades, providing everything you need for a complete replacement. Replacing the blades is essential for maintaining a healthy lawn and a well-manicured appearance. What we like. These are genuine OEM blades, ensuring the best possible cut for your lawn. They are designed for durability and optimal performance. If you want to maintain a pristine lawn, these blades are a must-have. What people say. These blades fit my 52 gravely exactly. They are heavy and well made. I've used them a few times now on a fairly hard to mow yard and they are still sharp. Fit perfect on my Ariens mower. Quality is perfect, super sharp, good thickness. They cut perfect and with no issues. I intentionally cut a few small sticks laying on the ground to see if it would hurt the blade. There was no dents, nicks, or cracks. Number 2. Ariens Gravely Deck Belt 12x145. Is your mower belt worn out? This replacement belt is designed to keep your lawn looking pristine. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your lawn care equipment. This belt is compatible with Gravely ZT and Ariens Zoom series mowers. It's designed to fit various models, ensuring a wide range of usability. Check the model list to confirm compatibility. Specifically, it fits Gravely ZT 1640, 1840, 2044, 2348, 2552, and ZTXL series mowers. This belt ensures your mower operates at peak performance. It's a direct replacement for the original part. It also fits Ariens Zoom 1640, 1840, 2044, 2348, and 2552 models. This belt is made to the highest standards. It's a perfect fit for your Ariens mower. This belt replaces the Gravely Ariens OEM part number 07200023. It's a high-quality replacement, offering durability and performance. You can trust it to get the job done. Installing this belt is straightforward. It's designed for easy installation, so you can quickly get back to mowing. The simple process saves you time and effort. What we like. This deck belt is built to last and fits a wide range of Ariens and Gravely mowers. Replacing your belt is easy, and it's essential for maintaining your mower's performance. If your current belt is worn or broken, this is the perfect replacement. What people say. Fits perfectly with my zero-turn mower 52-inch. Belt has surprised me on durability. Fit with no issues, the correct length, mower works great. Put the new belt to the test with cutting a very overgrown yard, 1.5 acres, no slipping or any issues. Number 1. Ariens Zero-Turn Mower Rubber Floor Mat. This is the Ariens Zero-Turn Mower Rubber Floor Mat. It's designed to fit your mower perfectly. This mat will help protect the floor of your mower. This is an OEM part, which means it's made by the original manufacturer. The part number is 05101200, so you can be sure it's the right fit for your mower. Made from durable rubber, this floor mat is built to last. It can withstand the wear and tear of regular use, providing long-lasting protection. The mat is easy to install. Simply place it in your mower and it's ready to go. It's a quick and simple upgrade. Protect your mower with this rubber floor mat. It helps to keep your mower clean and in good condition. Get yours today. What we like. This is an OEM rubber floor mat designed specifically for your Ariens zero-turn mower. It's made from durable rubber and is easy to clean. If you want to protect your mower's floor and enhance your comfort, this mat is a great addition. What people say. The rubber is thick. This will solve that issue for the life of the machine, and then some. This mat helps reduce scratching and paint loss on my mower. Once I got in the sun and mowing, it's set and doesn't slide. Don't get discouraged when you first put it down, it does slide a bit. Like I said, once it warms up it doesn't move. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.